This is the Gascan Small lens, and I will be showing you how to remove and install them. So first, you want to grab the two rims of the frame, and you're going to pull them apart and push out. And then you're going to do the same, so you're going to pull apart and push out. And that is how you remove them. And now to install them, you're going to put the back of the lens to the back of the frame that's closest to your ear, and you're going to push it in so it's in the back groove. And then what you want to do is you want to push the front in, and it should go in fairly easy. And as you can see, it is very stable in the lens of the frame. And so you're going to do the same. So you're going to put the back of the lens to the back of the frame, and so it's into the back groove, and push in. And it doesn't move, so it means that it was done good. And that is how you do that.